Updating your bank account details in Etrade involves a few steps to ensure your financial information is current. Here's how to do it. Log into your Etrade account. Visit the Etrade website or open the Etrade mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to Account Settings. On the main dashboard, click on the Accounts tab. Select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Access bank account information. Look for the section labeled Bank Accounts, Funding Accounts or Banking. Click on this section to view your current linked bank accounts. Update bank account details. If you want to update existing bank account details, select the bank account you wish to edit and click on Edit. To add a new bank account, click Add Bank Account. Enter the new bank account information, including bank name, account number, routing number, and account type. Verify and save changes. Review the updated bank account details for accuracy. Follow any additional verification steps required by Etrade to confirm the new account details. Click Save or Submit to finalize the changes. Confirm updates. You may receive a confirmation email or notification once the changes are processed.